We started the Armory up about 3 years ago as a wholly owned division of Elsner Engineering Works. The reason we did that is Elsner's been in existence since 1934, 91 years we've been in business. And in the course of that, we've really built a name for ourselves and our expertise in our machining capabilities. So we felt it was just a logical step to step off into a product line that was direct to consumers, something that got us really all excited, and Firearms does that for us. But we had the equipment and the people here to make it happen and make it a reality really quickly. So about 3 years ago, we went out and bought a bunch of equipment. We spent about $2.5 million tooling up, and we bought the latest state-of-the-art equipment that you can buy for a machine shop. So we have a 9-axis mill turn from Nakamura Tomei. This allows us to make the receivers parts almost complete out of the machine. That's really important because when we have control of the part, we never want to let go of that if we can get as many features in as we can, because that's when we have the most success at controlling our tolerancing. So this machine allows us to do that. So we can bar feed in whenever it needs the next piece, does the work. The machine will actually take the piece, remove it from the machine, and then reinsert more material in. So that allows us the very, very important step of running this machine and most of the machines in our Firearms division in a lights out mode. So during the day, we'll staff this with the right people to build the processes, stabilize any of the programs that we have statistically, and then we know when we're ready to run lights out on the off shift. We'll turn it on and we'll actually let it run, and nobody will be here to take care of it while it's doing that. So it's really important. The machine has to be capable of holding those kind of tolerances for us to be able to do that. Now, why do we want to do that? Well, labor is the most expensive cost that we have, and if we can use the technology to make sure that it's accurate and perfect every time, precision in every shot, we know that this machine will be capable of doing that, and we won't have to spend the labor dollars 16 hours a day to make it happen. Using the statistics helps us create processes that are stable and predictable so that we can run through the night with nobody here. That's a major part of our process, because that allows us to remove the labor content, and that's what drives up the cost for everybody. People don't want to pay for that. They want to pay for the perfection, and we have the equipment that allows us to do that.